Hello, this is the project video for the group 110. The members are Sia Garg, Harjeet Singh, Sarthak Maini and Rishabh. Being G students, we know how much time management is important for us, and being in triple IT juggling between endless deadlines, we have to manage our time. Many people fail at managing their time properly, and this is mostly because of their wrong choices. So, a time management app is a must for doing all our work on time. Hence, we thought of making an AI based interactive time management app, Samay Shakti. The app basically takes into consideration the routine of the individual and suggests constructive feedback in order to increase the productivity on a daily basis. The app does this by analyzing user data. Then, according to the priority given by the user, the app generates a personalized timetable. Now, we will explain all the features of an app while prototyping it.
First, we have our homepage where we have the login or the sign up button, which will lead to respective pages. So, here the user will log in or create a new account where we have a number of options to choose from. Next, we can enter our email address followed by a password, and then we will be taken to the dashboard where we have a number of options to choose from.
On the top of the dashboard, the app greets the user and shows his or her report of the day along with the past day's performance to give the user insight into the progress made. We can click on this icon to see our detailed report for the day. Here we can see all the time that we spent along with the average time on different apps. Here we have the graph icons where we can see our report in the form of charts. We have this home button on every screen, which will take us back to the dashboard.
Now, let's see the calendar option. It will open the current month's calendar along with all the events and deadlines, which are color coded for better visibility. We can easily create a new event too. We can click on the calendar icon to see all the months and choose accordingly to see the calendar for that month.
Next up, we have our to-do list, where we can see all our tasks in a concise manner. We can also click on any task to strike it off. Now we will show you the sticky notes option. We have various kind of notes depending on what you are feeling. You can also add new sticky notes by clicking the plus option.
Now comes the most distinguishing feature of our app. Our app uses AI to generate a customized timetable for the user depending on the priorities of the user given by the to do list that the user has made. The app then generates a customized timetable suggesting what all things the user needs to accommodate in his routine in order to become more productive. Our app also has an interactive feedback. Our app will give feedback to the user based on their behavior. This will give user an insight into their daily routine and behavior.
Laptop and phone screens send off lights which are harmful for your eyes. So we have to introduce an eye protection feature which will notify the user when the distance between the eyes and screen is less than 25 cm. It also gives us the average distance and corresponding analysis.
So, this was our AI based time management application, which we have tried to make interactive and user friendly. Thank you.